Assalamualaikum to all my friends, and we are the Kirbara team, and we will be explaining dissolution of partnership. Assalamualaikum to all my friends, and we are the Kirbara team, and we will be explaining dissolution of partnership. A partnership may be terminated or dissolved by agreement if the duration of the partnership has been specified in the agreement. Assalamualaikum to all my friends, we are the Kirbara team, and we will be explaining the solution of partnership. The partnership is terminated at the expiry of the period, or the partnership mutually agree to dissolve the partnership. Assalamualaikum to all my friends, we are the Kirbara team, and we will be explaining the solution of partnership. Section 35, subsection 1, dissolution by death or bankruptcy can automatically dissolve a partnership. Assalamualaikum to all my friends, we are the Kirbara team, and we will be explaining dissolution of partnership.
Section 35, subsection 1, partners may have an agreement that death and bankruptcy shall not affect its dissolution.
Assalamualaikum to all my friends, we are the Kirbara team, and we will be explaining dissolution of partnership.
الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
A partner can apply to the court to dissolve a partnership in mental incapacity such as insanity, psychopathic disorder, and other disability of mind.
Assalamualaikum to all my friends. We are the Kibar team, and we will be listening. Dissolution of partnership.
A partner or anyone who has the right to apply to the court for dissolution if partner incapable of managing property and affairs.
Assalamualaikum to all my friends. We are the Kibar team, and we will be listening. Dissolution of partnership.
Based on our investigation, you Naim has found you are crazy, and all the partnership agreement is dissolved and is sufficient. Order! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aidil Aisyah bin Anwar from class 4C. I would like to present to all of you about dissolution in partnership. A partnership may be dissolved under various circumstances. I would like to explain on the circumstances in dissolution by the court. In Section 37 of Partnership Act 1961, provide that the court may order the dissolution of the partnership on application by a partner in any of the following cases. Firstly, under Section 37 subsection E, where the partner has mental incapacity such as insanity, psychopathic disorder, and other disability of mind. A partner or anyone who has the right, they may appeal to the court for dissolution of the partnership. When the partner who is mentally incapable of managing the property and affairs of the partnership.
Hi, Dissolution of Partnerships, very prompts by Section 6, Dissolution by Circumventing Inability. Basically, this section talks about partnerships that's formally formed illegally can become illegal due to either changes in factual circumstances or virtue of legalizations to that effect, such as war.
Assalamualaikum. I, Muhammad Naim bin Abu Qasim, will talk about dissolution of partnership by bankruptcy and debts. So, what is partnership? Partnership is when two persons and not more than 20% make a deal by an agreement to set up a business to get a profit. So, there are a few factors that cause partnership become dissolved, and one of the factors is debts and bankruptcy. We also know about debts, but do you know about bankruptcy? Bankruptcy means when someone or business cannot repay their outstanding debts. According to Section 35, Subsection 1, Partnership Act 1961, debts and bankruptcy can automatically dissolve a partnership. However, partnership may have an agreement that debts and bankruptcy shall not affect its dissolution. For example, if one of the partner in partnership debts or bankruptcy, the partnership is still can go on. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wafi Majdi, and today I shall be presenting about Section 37, Subsection P, willful or persistent breach. Willful or persistent breach is when a partner, other than the partner's swing, willfully or persistently commit a breach of the partnership agreement or otherwise so conduct himself in matters relating to the partnership business that is not reasonably practicable for the other partners or partners to carry on the business in partnership with him. It may cover two circumstances, which is breach is intentional or breach is unintentional, but it makes the carrying of the partnership in partnership impracticable because it destroys mutual confidence between partners. To invoke this ground, the partners must be able to prove that the breach are either willful or persistent and not merely trivial. A court will also grant an order for dissolution if there is a complex and permanent state of animosity among the partners so as to destroy the basis of mutual confidence. Other reasonable grounds include neglect to account for money received, refusal to account, and taking away the firm's book. The court will not grant a dissolution of the partnerships of the partners who has willfully breached the partnership agreement and at the same time will not ask such a partners to pay costs. An example of the case is court held Chisman versus Price, in which these cases the partners persistently made mistakes in bookkeeping and had not entered receipts in the accounts of the company. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Shakirin. I would like to talk about the dissolution of the partnership. And the topic I will choose today about dissolution by the agreement. Okay, first of all, the partnership can be dissolved by the agreement if the agreement has been stated that there is an period for the partnership. So the partnership will be dissolved at the end of period of the agreement. That's the first. And the second, the partnership also can be dissolved by the mutually agree by all of the partners. So when all the partners agree to dissolve the partnership, so that the partnership has been dissolved. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.
Let me explain the resolution by court. Resolution by court means that the dissolution is being done by the court on application by the partners or any other members that qualify to do so. So the first one is mental incapacity. Mental incapacity such as unsound of mind, psychotic disorder and such can dissolve if application is made to the court. Partner incapacity, the second item, can also be applied to the court. The third item is conduct prejudicial to the partnership business. The fourth is persistent breach of partnership agreement. The fifth item is when the partnership is being carried at loss, which means the business cannot go on and every conduct of the business just constitute to a loss of business. So if this goes on, everyone in the partnership can apply to the court to dissolve the partnership. And finally, the solution of being just and equitable under this dissolution. And the final part, the court will consider many circumstances so that all the partners are being judged and being given the equitable rights for them.